Kata is deliberate practice, not performance, not show. It's the steady carving of intent into body, mind, and spirit. Every stance, every strike, every turn is a choice. A reminder that progress is built, not granted. Bassai Dai means to breach the fortress, each one chiseling intent into my body and soul. This kata teaches me that we all face walls. Walls of doubt, walls of fear, walls of hesitation. And every time I begin Bassai Dai, I'm reminded we can break through. Not with anger, but with clarity, with power, with a first move that must be strong. Because the first move sets the tone for the kata and for life. Strength is not in rushing, it's in the precision. One step, one breath, one correction at a time. Kata is honest. It does not flatter, it reveals. If my stance is weak, it tells me. If my balance is off, it reminds me. I have performed Bassai Dai over 300 times this year, endlessly, relentlessly, and still I am not satisfied. Because my quest for perfection will last a lifetime. That is a gift of consistency. Repetition is not a burden, it is the forge. Every run through laying another brick into the fortress I am building within myself. But once the fortress is breached, there is a deeper question. How will you stand in the space you have claimed? That is where Jion begins. Jion carries the meaning of love and goodness. 47 deliberate steps. Its name is linked to a Buddhist temple and is a toll of a temple bell. Jion echoes steadiness, serenity, tradition. If Bassai Dai is a storm that clears the way, Jion is a stillness that follows, the discipline to hold your ground. This kata reminds me, true mastery is not in the strike, but in the pause. Not in how hard I push forward, but in how deeply I root myself in consistency. Jion demands humility. When the hand is misplaced, it tells you. When the stance is unbalanced, it reveals it. And so you return, again and again, until practice is no longer just kata, it's who you are. Together, Bassai Dai and Jion hold a single lesson. Life is not only about breaking through, it is about standing firm once you've arrived. It is the balance of force and composure, power and grace. Kata is not a destination, it's a journey. Each repetition, each correction, each deliberate move, an invitation to become stronger, steadier, truer, one step at a time.